Thank you guys for joining me again today. I am going to do another DIY for you. You'll need a candle holder. You will need a Dollar Tree candle holder as well. You guys are familiar with these. You will also need some rope and foam, any leftover foam you may have. You'll need some of the succulent plants from the Dollar Tree. I have 3 of them. You'll also need your razor and scissors, your glue sticks and glue gun. Now let's jump right into this DIY. So guys, I'm thinking I want to go ahead and add some rope just to hide where I laid the glue. So just as I did with the top, I think I want to do the same thing. Not to make it very thick, but just enough to disguise the glue. Okay, just like that. I like the way that looked. I hope you do too. I'm gonna put that to the side and jump right into the next DIY. What you'll need is one of the Dollar Tree containers. These are the little short, square shaped. You will need some of the Dollar Tree gems, and this is the oval, and this is the round. You will need some flowers. This one is from Michael's and they run them in different season. This was $5. It's originally $10. These are some of the Dollar Tree berries, and I just cut off 3 stems. I'm not quite sure how much I will need. You will need your wire cutter. You need your scissors, glue gun, glue sticks, and these sequins stretch rubber band kind of fabric. It's beautiful. I saw at Hobby Lobby and they were having a 50% sale on it, so I went ahead and got a yard of it. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I went ahead and add some gems. And now I want to go ahead and glue my floral down, I put in the Dollar Tree little berries just to give a little bit more of that peachy color. So now I want to lay my glue down. And I don't need foam because this will hold perfectly fine onto the inside once the glue has dried. And guys, this is our little centerpiece for Easter or spring. Okay, I like the way that look, and I will jump into our next DIY. For this project, you will need some paper, and this is the board from Joannes, and they come in, I've shared with you several times, different ones. I like to line my candle holders with them to give it a different look. So you will need a whole sheet. You need 2 sheets, I should say. You'll need some floral, and you will need 4 of the Dollar Tree boards. You will also need some ribbon, flowers, scissors, your wire cutter, glue gun, and glue sticks. Okay, so once you remove all your tags, you're gonna turn your board inside out. You're gonna start by adding some glue. You want to be generous with this glue. I would also suggest that you use E6000 only because if you want to have this as a gift or permanent, you will definitely need to have the E6000. Then you're going to go on the inside and lay some more glue down, just for security. Okay, I forgot to mention you will need a piece of cardboard and possibly foam, but I'm not quite sure about the foam yet. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the size of this cardboard. I'm going to go ahead and cut out the proper size for this board, and I'll glue it on and come back and we can start to wrap it. Guys, so this is how it turned out, and I want to go ahead and start to wrap my board. And to do that, I'm going to lay it on one side, and fold this in half. I think that would make it easier. I went ahead and drew the lines on the inside of each sides of the board. So now I just want to maneuver it so it bends well. I'm just pinching the sides because this paper is really not really paper, it's a piece of board. So I'm going to go ahead, place the board in its place. And I want to go ahead and lay some glue down. Okay guys, so I realized that I was going to be a little short, so I decided to separate my paper, and I believe that's the way that I measured it as well when I first drew the line. So I went ahead and separate them, glue one side down already, and wanted to come in to share with you that I had to cut the paper because I did not want for it to be extremely short. Okay guys, so because of the gap, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and add some gems to close that gap in. So I am using the Walmart medium-sized gems. That has the adhesive already. Okay guys, so I'm going to create a bow with my ribbon, just a simple bow. And I want to place it up top along with my flowers. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that on, and then I'll be back to show you what that looks like. Okay guys, so this is where we are. Just simple greenery on the inside. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. Absolutely love the way that they look. If you like this project, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you are not a subscriber, I hope that you'll decide to become a subscriber by hitting the subscribe button. Guys, thank you so much for spending this time with me. I truly appreciate your time and your support, and I look forward to seeing you on my next DIY.